When I heard about a Jamaican-Haitian fusion restaurant that's offering the best of both worlds, including their special cremas ice cream, I was shook. You hear me? Because these are the things that I dream about. Curry goat and black rice, tazo frittata with a side of stew peas, and maybe I want my cremas ice cream on top of my black cake. I'm just like,
you cannot be for real. Oh my God, you for real? No, you for fake. No, you for real.
It is absolutely for real. And Nolan's Cuisine and Catering is where it's at. Now, there are a lot of menu options, including a Caribbean-style Chipotle bowl. And in addition to the food, they have so many different Caribbean drink and dessert options. It was really difficult to determine what menu items I wanted to order. But alas, I figured it out. First up was the black rice, curry chicken, plantain, and veg. Yeah. Then for research purposes, I had to get the oxtail with the Rasta pasta. Very good, but my only regret was I should have asked for extra gravy like this guy did. Don't worry, I won't make that mistake again. Next up, you know a Haitian-style fried red snapper hates to see me come. This one was actually cooked and seasoned very well. Also ordered a spicy beef and cocoa bread because I can, and I was not disappointed. Then I absolutely had to try some of Nolan's ice cream. All the flavors look good, but don't hate me because when it comes to grape nut,
I want you to know something. I will not take that one. No way.
I can't. But I told him when it comes to everything else,
I'm sure you're going to see me again, I'm sure.
Because I got home and I tried the ice cream, specifically the cremas, and that thing had me running like, right. And be careful because it definitely contains alcohol. Okay. Listen, that food was so good, I actually ended up going back the next day. I had to make sure they were consistent before I made a video. This time I ordered the oxtail and curry chicken on top of the black rice, and it did not disappoint. So Nolan's gets a 9.1 out of 10, would absolutely recommend.